never understood why you love this stuff, Pop. Always here. Never home. Well, I'm finally here. There's nothing magical about it.
Is that all you got, son? Oh, sorry for interrupting. I was on the trail and I saw you preparing for a big old Shakespeare speech. Me being a fan of old Bill decided to eavesdrop. Hell, imagine my disappointment when I heard no sonnets coming out your mouth. I apologize. That was out of character.
I didn't realize there was anyone else up here.
There's not. It's just you and me. And Mother Nature, of course. Yeah, not too many people come out this time of year. Expect it's due to the frigid temperatures. Brrr! Right. Well, I'll just be on my way then. Oh, yeah, right. You need your alone time, I get it. Wouldn't want no square ranger interrupting that.
No, it's not that. I don't think you're square ring.
It's fine. You're not hurting my feelings. People see this badge and they always start to sweat. Even if they ain't breaking the law, they think they might be, but, you ain't breaking the law, are you?
What? No, I'm not breaking any laws. I wouldn't.
I'm just joshing you. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan. Ooh, that's a strong name. Alan. You know, I had a dog named Alan once. Little Jack Russell. He'd run around the backyard just chasing his tail. So freaking cute. But what is
Hey,
this?
please don't be careful with it.
Wow. This is something.
That's my
else.
dad.
Woo.
It's my dad.
Ooh. Tiny little guy, isn't he? Is your dad a genie, Alan? Be honest.
You're so funny. No, not a genie.
Man, my people skills, they're just a little bit rusty today. Name is Dan. Dan Overbach. But you should just call me Ranger Dan.
Nice to meet you, Dan.
Ranger Dan.
Far out. Well, I'll just head back down now.
Yeah.
Enjoy Mother Nature.
Alan, I hate to do this, but, you know it's illegal to scatter ashes in a national park without a VS9 permit to do so, right?
It is?
Yes, sirree. It's a fine of 400 buckaroos. Please tell me you got that permit on you.
No. No, I don't have a permit.
Jiminy crickets. Man, you don't look like the law-breaking type. It's like you came all the way up here for nothing.
Looks like it. Have a good one.
But if for some reason that little urn pours out accidentally, well, shit, there's nothing in the rule book about accidents. Plus, I know the perfect spot for you to accidentally scatter your dad's ashes. Oh, it'd be beautiful.
I don't know. I think we...
Alan, let's go. Come on.
Okay.
You're gonna love it.
How many miles is that?
6, 7. Not too shabby.
When you said you knew a spot, I thought you meant like a mile, mile and a half max.
Alan, open your eyes and look.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, indeed.
It's beautiful.
Sure is.
Why are you doing this? Why are you helping me?
That's what Rangers do, Alan. We help people. I do what you came here for.
Hey, Bob. You love this place. It's breathtaking. I don't know what to say. We didn't have like the best relationship, so.
Alan, how long are you gonna walk around with all that pain in your heart? Let it go.
Dad, I resented you for so long being out here. Blocked out all those times you asked me to go hiking with you. All those times I said no. You wanted this to be our thing, and I never went once. See this place, and I understand now why you wanted to share this with me so badly. There's a peace out here. There's calm. You never got that at home, did you? Such calm.
That was one hell of a Shakespeare speech, son.
Shit. I hate to do this. I have to start heading back down the trail. So,
Oh, really?
yeah, I got a meeting in the morning. It's gonna be a 2-hour drive back into town, so I appreciate you doing this.
You city folk and your busy lives.
Yeah, that's true. Yep.
Why don't you bring it on in before you go?
Sure. What the hell's the matter with you?
There's nothing the matter with me. People need to appreciate all aspects of nature, Alan, not just these beautiful vistas. You know, for a moment I thought you were different, that you could be changed, but you're not. You're just like them. You take your snapshot of beauty and then it's back to your life, ungrateful of it all. This is just some dumping ground for your dead pop. Your lack of appreciation disturbs me.
I appreciate it, Dan. I do. Please, just let me go.
I already told you. It's Ranger Dan.
What?
It's just like you said. It's breathtaking. You would not believe the piece of trash I ran into on the trail today, Ricky boy. God damn. Ricky. Ranger Rick. You wouldn't have lasted 5 minutes in Nam. Well, I guess that'll teach you to come up onto my campsite, won't it? Two in one day. You call this the off season? Time to get back to work.
We've walked this way like 4 times already.
I don't think so.
We're just going in circles.
Can I be of any assistance to y'all?
Oh,
Mark,
thank goodness. Don't be a spaz, Susie. He's a ranger.
Yeah, Suze, I'm a ranger.
Oh, man. We got turned around somewhere at
Horse flats.
Horse Flats. We've been out here for hours, man, just going around in circles.
Well, then I guess you two are lucky you found me. We'll get you back to that trailhead, but it'll be damn near impossible in the dark, and whew, reckon it'll be dark pretty soon.
Yeah, well, I got my lantern. We'll be able to make it back.
Yeah, even with the lantern, it can be tricky. You can end up in a different part of the park and not even know it. That's how people go missing all the time. You know, I got a campsite about a mile from here. Get a fire going, warm y'all up, find that trail first thing in the morning. What do you say?
Okay.
Mark, do you think we should talk about this?
Everything okay there, Suze?
Groovy.
Great. Camp's just over this ridge here. Where are my manners? Name's Dan. Dan Overbach. But you should just call me Ranger Dan.